my feel-good pipe, watching my corn grow and living the old farm life. The chickens are laying, the roosters are crowing, the cow needs a milk and that sun starts to show. And I take just a minute to enjoy the cool breeze of the morn. Yeah, I'm living the old farm life. The city lights got nothing on the way the stars shine here at night. Don't know what you're missing, I bet you'd be wishing you were living the old farm life. The hay needs a baling, the tractor needs fixing, the horses need shoeing. I keep doing what I'm doing, never think about quitting, 'cause I'm loving the old farm life. Living the old farm life. The city lights got nothing on the way the stars shine here at night. Don't know what you're missing, I bet you'd be wishing you were living the old farm life. Well, the day is winding down, so I'll get back to my porch, sit in my old rocking chair, and I pick on my guitar, sip on my moonshine, and thank the good Lord I'm still here. Well, this life ain't easy, but it keeps me going, still doing what I'm doing, and knowing what I'm knowing. These hard working days are rewarding at the end of the day. Living the old farm life. The city lights got nothing on the way the stars shine here at night. Don't know what you're missing, I bet you'd be wishing you were living the old farm life. Got nothing on the way the stars shine here at night. Don't know what you're missing, I bet you'd be wishing you were living the old farm life. Don't know what you're missing, I bet you'd be wishing you were living the old farm life.